Hello guys, eh, thetha noyonwaba Mbidlana. Yeah, I'm gonna be tutoring you in accounting, grade 12. Grade 12. So someone asked me to make videos for grade 12s, wants to help with any assistance in accounting. So I've been trying to think the whole 2 weeks, like ever since yaqala le lockdown, that how am I gonna be helping you with the accounting? So yeah, finally I found a strategy which I think is gonna be able at least to pass my message to you guys, yeah, in terms of helping you. So if you want to get my help, you're going to need to follow me or follow my page, Facebook page, which is Enlighten Academic Centre on Facebook. I'm going to send a link in my Facebook wall as well, in my WhatsApp statuses, so that people can see it and trying to follow it, those who need help otherwise. And I'm going to post these videos on YouTube and same YouTube channel, Enlighten Academic Centre 2020. So I believe I'm going to help you guys with this accounting, and I know from my side I want you guys to download question papers. I'm going to use Department of Education question papers, the previous question papers, as from 2015 up until 2019. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to send you a link where you can access the question papers so that we can be all in the same page. We use the same question papers. That's what I want from you. Guys, I want you to prepare yourself. Prepare yourself for my sessions. If you're going to watch the videos without going through the question paper, you're going to be lost and I'm going to confuse you. So at least you must go through the question paper. And on my side, I'm not gonna do all the how many questions? One, two, three, four, five, six. I'm not gonna do 6 question papers in one video. I'm going to do at least one question in a question at a time. In a question paper, I'm going to do one question. Yes. So that's gonna be easy. Even in your site, you can just go through question one. Let me make an example of cost accounting or concept reconciliation or inventory valuation. Just go through the question that you wanna go through, because I'm going to be telling you which which question I'm going to make video on, so that you can also go through it. Once I post it, I expect you to only post questions and requests in the comment box under that video, that specific video, not in my inbox, because I'm not going to answer you, because I believe your question might help someone else. Because once you post a question, I'm going to explain it and I reply, or if I think it needs more videos, I'm going to make another video relating to your question, a small video that can explain that concept, or I'm going to give you a link where you can access a PDF of my explanation. So I don't expect you to go to my inbox and ask me about anything relating to this thing. You can ask me anything, but not this one. Another one, on my YouTube channel, you can like it, subscribe, and leave your comment. I will follow it. Okay, this thing, guys, needs sacrifice. By the way, it's gonna take your data and it's gonna help you so that you can buy more data in future. Yeah, for now, this want this is what I want, this is what I think you also want. So yeah, we can meet up, guys. Meet up in halfway. Yeah. If ever is any communication that I wanna do or make to you guys, I'm going to write on my Facebook account or WhatsApp account. Yeah. Please do what I'm telling you. I'm going to help you guys. And also you can ask me another question in different question papers, not in your school exercise book or study guide. You're going this thing is gonna be haphazard if you wanna do that, or your homework or your assignment. Don't ask me anything. Ask me only in these question papers that have this cover page. If it has this cover page, you can ask me. You can ask me whatever is in this cover page, or ask me whatever is in mind gap. Yeah, just use mind the gap as a basis of everyone using the study guide or this one. Nothing else. Yeah, please download mind the gap. I'm going to give you a link where you can get mind the gap. Mind the gap. Yeah, I like that textbook. It's so basic. It can help you to pass accounting. Yeah. Thank you guys. My next video is going to come soon. To post there. Don't worry. I am going to explain accounting with your mother tongue. Don't worry. What tongue pronunciation? Because I can't even write tongue. Mother tongue. The tongue and math. Let's see. Is it this tongue correct? Okay. If it's not correct, then beat. But yeah, under this mother tongue, I'm going to explain counting. Get it closer. Get it closer. I'm going to explain get it closer. Yeah. So, bye. See you guys soon.